Hi, I'm Phil from Fast Car, and today we're looking at the top 10 car hacks of all time. Check these out. Working on your car, you've got a bolt and you've got to try and get it in down below, and you put it on, and the annoying thing, isn't it, always falls out. Here's a little hack for you. So grab a bit of masking tape, cut a little bit off, put it over the top of the bolt like that, pop it down, now it won't come out and you can go and screw it in. You know, you need to top your oil up but you can't find your funnel? Well, annoying. Well, here's a little hack for that. You can actually use the dipstick itself to help pour the oil in. How cool's that? Here's another one for you. You know, when you're using a spray lubricant like a WD-40 or similar, and you can't quite get to where you need to, and you need a 90-degree bend, this is what you do. Grab another bottle top, put it on the end, like that, and then you literally put it in, and it sprays 90 degrees. Oh, it's cold. It's -5, snow's coming down, your car's completely frosted up, and you haven't got any de-icer. But I tell you what, you probably will have plenty of over is some hand sanitizer, and guess what? It works as a de-icer. Just pop it on and let it do its stuff, and do your hands at the same time. Oh, this is thirsty work, this. Ah, Coca-Cola. Tastes nice, but did you know it actually gets rid of oil stains on your driveway too, or your workshop floor? Just pour it on, let it soak for a couple of hours, then rinse it off. Look at that, 2 hours later and it's all gone. Okay, we haven't tested this one, but let us know if it works in the comments. Plus, Coca-Cola, that's not the only thing it's good for. So, here's the other use for Coca-Cola. It's pretty good at cleaning up metals. And if you've got some dodgy terminals, perfect for that. Literally, pour it on, start working it in. Are you off to somewhere posh, maybe a Nando's, and you need somewhere to hang your dinner jacket? Well, and you go to put it on the handle, but every time you reach in, it pops back up? Well, they all come with these little clips here. Pop them down, handle stays down, job's a good one. Do you open your cable tie packs like this, and then when you're going to grab one, they all fall out on the floor? Here's a little tip for you. So, instead of opening the package at the top, put a little hole in the middle, like so. And then when you need one, just pull it out and they don't go anywhere. So you're washing your car, or you're using an airline on your car and you're pulling the hose or pipe around and it keeps getting stuck. So annoying, isn't it? But there's a little trick using a tennis ball. Literally grab it, stick it under the back of your wheel, kick it in. Here's a hack for you. You know, it's winter, it's setting in, and all your mirrors always get misted up. Okay, it's fair enough, it's easy enough to put the window down and wipe them with your finger. But here, use a bit of toothpaste, rub it onto the mirror, and it repels the water. Okay, you could use something like Rain-X, but if you haven't got that, a bit of Colgate to sort you out. So there you go. There's our top 10 car hacks. Have we missed any? Well, let us know in the comments, and let us know what you think of these ones.